why it can't be made a song. He's rather meant for a different world, and his heart was not to know. He's like the song that went slow in a solitary way, and he gave to me a gift I know I never can repay. Like quite a man of music, the night has seemed perfect. He tried to be a soldier once, but his music couldn't wait. Then his love for discipline, he don't drink velvet. His mental soul and his grouping souls took me years to understand. The leader of the band is tired and his eyes were growing old, but his breath turns to my instrument and his song it is my soul. My life has been a full attempt to imitate a man. I'm just a living legacy or a leader of a band.